All right, number 3, we want to determine if the relation defines y as a one-to-one function of x. So it does pass the vertical line test. However, this top portion, if we were to draw a horizontal line across, it would touch the graph twice, so it fails the one-to-one test. So the relation does not define y as a one-to-one function. And then 4, it says use the definition of a one-to-one function to determine if the function is one-to-one. Okay, so when they say use the definition, again, in the text it showed that, okay, if we have h of x, which is given our function, this is number 4, if our function is equal to x squared plus 3, we are going to say if a equals b, then that means f of a is equal to f of b. Okay. And so I'm going to replace x with a and replace x with b, and we're going to solve for and see if a equals b. So I'm going to get a squared plus 3 equals b squared plus 3. Trying to solve for these variables, we will subtract 3 from both sides, and that will just give us a squared equals b squared. And then if we do the square root, like just solving for a, we will get a equals, and then we'll have a plus or minus b. So I could do plus or minus a over here, but I'm treating this as a variable. So because it could be positive or negative and not just one value, this is not going to be one-to-one. And if I just got that they were just equal to both positive or both negative, then it would be one-to-one. So no, this function is not one-to-one. You could also know that from the graph this is going to be a parabola, okay? And a parabola will fail the horizontal line test, okay? But this is how you could show it. Let me actually look and see if that's the same way they do it. I don't know if they do anything different. They just showed the graph. They do k of a and k of b. So yeah, you just plug in a and b, and then you go through and solve it, and then yeah, they're showing the same thing. Okay, I don't know if there was another method.